Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a review / press on tutorial of these nails that I got at Five and Below. I don't know if I remember them from my other video. This is a super cute set. I've never used this brand before, but from what I can tell right now, definitely worth $5. It comes with the nail glue, 24 nails, and has instructions on the back of how to apply and remove them. So I'm going to open it up to see how many different variety of nails we can do. I feel like this is like 2 sets in one, which is pretty good. So 2 for $5, it's not that bad. So let's open it and see. It took me a minute to get it to open. They had tape. They're trying to have this thing secure. Okay, so I guess these are the, that's the top part. So we have the nail glue. Pretty Woman. This is a little dusty. But that shouldn't affect the product. Okay, there's tape around it too. Okay. It's cute or whatever. Okay. So let's see what we're working with. Okay, so one thing I'm noticing already is that these do not have nail sizes on them, which I'm not a fan of. So I would have to like I said, once you know your nail size, it's easier for you to just press things on. So I don't know. Like I have to guess and just find another match type thing, Yeah, I don't. Oops. Alrighty, so as you guys can see, I laid out finally and matched which nails fit my fingers the best. Almost done with cleaning up my nails. See my cuticles? We always want to make sure these are nice and pushed back so that the nails last long. That's the key. Your cuticles need to be cleaned, pushed back, and cut. Okay? Alrighty, so I have cut, cleaned, and filed my nails off camera, and they are looking a little bit rough, but it's okay because I did have to cut them and shape them since this is a angled. This is an angled nail, so it's not just straight. I have to make sure the top of my nails don't show when I go to press them on. So you guys can see. So you have the corners. I had to go. Alrighty, so I'm gonna try. I'm gonna use this just to see how this glue will be on my fingers. And I guess I'll follow their instructions. It took me forever to get this thing. I had to cut it. See how I cut this thing? But we ready. We live with it. We are live. So these are the ones that are the finals, but I just don't know what design I want to do for what. This one looks kind of weird though. I don't know if y'all can see. It's like faded on one of the sides, like it was under the lamp or something for too long. What to do? Oh my gosh, see, I know I told you I love short nails, but it's just something about yes. So I can't be doing this. It can't be an everyday thing for me. That's the problem. Okay, this glue. Let's get right with me, glue. I think it's stuff. Okay. That glue is very hard to squeeze out and stuff. And if I can't get it, I'm gonna use my own glue because I don't got time for that. I don't have time. For that. Alrighty, this is what we're looking like. for the first, oops, yeah, this glue, it's the glue. A lot of it didn't come out, so let me get mine. Let me get this old girl. Okay, y'all, oh my gosh, like all these things was acting up. So hopefully we're back and we're better. Oh yeah. Okay, let me get my wooden to get some of this excess glue. Okay. I like this. And I think this is still like a medium, short/medium. You know, not too long, but also not short. Okay. I just can't decide what designs to do for like which hands. Probably that one. I never did design ones before, so I'm sorry, y'all. So I'm just gonna do the other hand for now until we decide. I saw someone else say like it's better to go each finger on both sides, so like do one pinky, do the other pinky type thing. So let's see. Okay. Period. Okay, I decided I'm gonna do this one for the pinky. I'm doing a little bit on this pinky. It's kind of injured. Actually, let me put this on the other one because that one is injured. Come on, pinky. Okay. Oh, y'all. This nail done cracked. This nail cracked. I cannot. Okay. I'm done. Like, I can't even no more. So this is our right hand. And this is my left hand. Left hand looks way better, but you know, it is what it is. Definitely a trial and error process, the do's and don'ts of press on nails. But thank you guys for watching and sticking with me. Clearly tell me what I can do better, please, because I need help. I do. But be blessed. Have a good one.